Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard. This is 2 Minutes Tech and today I will be telling you about 5 biggest feature differences between Mi6X or you can say Mi A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. So Redmi Note 5 Pro is the successor of last year launched Redmi Note 4 and Mi6X, that can also be said Mi A2, is the successor of last year launched Mi A1 or Mi5X. Now coming on to the first feature that is different in the both devices is the battery capacity. On Mi6X or Mi A2, it comes with 3010 mAh battery with quick charge 3.0 support, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with the 4000 mAh battery with support of quick charge 2.0. Second biggest feature is the processor speed or the processor. So on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, it is powered with Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor that is clocked at 1.8 GHz with Adreno 509 GPU. Whereas in Mi6X or Mi A2, it is powered with Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor that is clocked at 2.2 GHz with Adreno 512 GPU. Now moving on to the third difference, then it is the camera. So there is this dual camera sensor on the both of the smartphones. Now on the Mi6X there is 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 sensor and 20 megapixel Sony IMX376 sensor, and it also comes with the dual LED flash and also can record videos up to 4K. Whereas on the Redmi Note 5 Pro there is 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 with 5 megapixel Samsung sensor. It also comes with the dual LED flash but does not have 4K video recording support, but there are some rumors that 4K video recording update will be soon given. In the camera department, both smartphones have the same main camera, that is 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 camera sensor. So now the fourth biggest difference on the both of the smartphones is the software. In Mi6X there is MIUI 9, that doesn't matter much, but it comes on the Oreo, whereas on the Mi A2 it will be specially launched in the India with Android 1 program, that means it will come with stock Android. Whereas on Redmi Note 5 Pro it runs on Nougat and the top of there it is MIUI 9. So this is the one of the biggest difference between both of the devices. So now the last and final biggest fifth feature are the ports, and Mi6X or Mi A2 does not have 3.5mm headphone jack, but it comes with the USB Type-C port, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro it comes with 3.5mm headphone jack but do not have USB Type-C port. So these were the 5 biggest differences of the features between the both of the smartphones, and let me know in the comments below which one do you like, Mi6 or Redmi Note 5 Pro. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, meet you in the next one.